My fluid intelligence was reduced to company meetings, spreadsheets, and emails, and I lacked sufficient impetus to achieve anything worthwhile. I'd spend my day cruising the net, like Facebook. Who's ever done that? You're supposed to be working to cruising Facebook or Instagram. Operating at no more than 3 to 4% of my aptitude. But only when I left and started doing crazy SH work was my potential fully realized. Having guts always worked for me, and that's why I do what I do. Kind of like GPS, it always led me towards optimism, confidence, and resourcefulness. And the more time I spend devoted to discomfort, the larger my comfort zone expands. That's why I think smart people do dumb things. Like this road trip I was on, or intercontinental bike rides, or skiing solo to the North Pole. When I exercise my nomadic spirit, that's when my brilliance appears. I've learned rational thinking isn't necessarily synonymous with intelligence, and that my gutsy brain will always appear irrational to the diminished. But when discomfort finally feels like second nature, that's when I know I'm living. It's interesting that logic and science and fact are the only things, these are the only factors we let contribute what decisions we make. Unless proof is provided, we usually won't do it, right? And it makes sense too. I have yet to be a successful business owner that goes, yeah man, I completely changed all my operations because I don't know, I felt like it. No, he's like, dude, I got this whole spreadsheet, we've got this accountant, and they all led us to this point, and we turned our business upside down, and now we're making billions of dollars. And we made these decisions on fact, not intuition. But if facts and science were completely out of the picture, we were alone in the forest with the elements, is your intuition muscle strong enough to guide you out? Facts and science don't always work. Sometimes you gotta listen and hear. I've lost touch with my intuition on many accounts. If ignored, it gets weak, but if exercised, it can become very powerful. Kind of like an old Volkswagen. It won't run unless you rev it up from time to time. Mine also works best when I'm alone in silence, which isn't a common place for most of us city dwellers. And it makes it easy to ignore. And that's probably because of its connection to the psyche and its inability to be seen and measured. We can't measure our intuition. But if I take the time to shut everything out, block out mom, block out dad, block out school, block out society and culture, and think about what I want and go into my heart and listen to my intuition, I grow confident in the inexplicable presence of unconscious reasoning in my life. All I know is some of the loudest voices don't use words. Some of the loudest voices are silent. That's intuition. And we need to go with that. We need to listen to that. We need to give that the weight it deserves.